Something else I wanted to tell you about was our list of resources that we have available for students that go beyond just academic resources. So of course we have like the Writing Center, Skills Center, Math Lab, things like that. But we also have learned that academic success is really dependent on all these other areas of a student's life. So we wanted to provide resources for supporting those other areas. If you go to your Canvas page, it could be your dashboard where it lists all your classes, it could be inside any of your courses. On the left-hand side is a row of icons, and the very last icon is support. If you click on that, it pulls up another list that you can connect to the Student Resource Finder. And that has grouped these resources according to category or type. So as you can see, there's hotlines, crisis resources, mental health, academic success. Now those academic success resources, again, we already provide for those. These others here also impact your success in your school. Clothing resources, childcare, finding work, food, health services, housing, legal services, transportation. These are all these other categories of support that we have for our students. You can also access these resources by going to the Student tab. You can get there from the home page. And then there's a list here, Services, Resources, and Support. So let's go to Services. It just takes you down further on the page. And there's like the Veterans Resource Center, we have Food Bank, Foster Youth, and some other programs and services. And then there's other ways to get help that might not just be on our campus. They could be connecting you to national resources or local resources. So we have LGBTQ, sexual assault, psychological services, and some of these are a repeat of those that are listed on the other grouped categories that I showed you. But I just wanted to let you know that we have these available for you because we realize the impact they have on student success, and we wanted to provide for those needs of our students.